First up tonight, more fallout from a Target 8 investigation into the wrongful conviction of Ray McCann.
His attorneys say it wasn't just overzealous cops that mistakenly sent him to prison in the Jodi Perrick murder case, but a flawed law that allowed it all. And they're pushing now to change that law. Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker is in Ann Arbor with our story new at 6.
We're at the University of Michigan Law School, where the same innocence clinic that fought to exonerate Ray McCann now says his case shows a need for a change in the state's perjury law. It's McCann's case that is prompting the Michigan Innocence Clinic to pursue the change. McCann spent 20 months in prison for perjury in the 2007 death of 11-year-old Jodi Perrick in Constantine. The Innocence Clinic took up his case after Target 8 exposed how detectives who believed he was the killer lied to him repeatedly during 20 interrogations.
They charged him with perjury for every little minor discrepancy between Ray's recollection of the night 7 years earlier and other people's recollection of the night.
McCann pleaded no contest for saying that he had searched near an old dam for Jodi the night she vanished. A detective testified that surveillance video proved he was lying. But attorneys, after viewing that video provided by Target 8, found the camera was not even aimed at that dam. McCann stayed in prison even after the real killer, Daniel Furlong, confessed to killing Jodi and working alone. McCann's attorney says that even if he was lying, it wasn't critical to the murder case.
It was not material to Jodi Perrick's murder and death.
But the attorney says the Michigan Supreme Court ruled in 2004 that lies don't have to be material to lead to perjury charges.
Michigan's a real outlier here. The problem is what Ray McCann's case shows is that there is a tool here that can be abused. And I'm against having the state have too much power to abuse people's rights. And so the fact that it can be done once means it can be done again, and it's a simple enough thing to fix.
By just adding the word material in one law and materially in another. Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker says he needs to look at the proposed changes before commenting, but he says his office carefully uses perjury charges.
We want to charge something that is pertinent to the case. It's not something that's tangential. We want something that directly impacts the case and what they're testifying to, and is truly a lie.
The Innocence Clinic says it plans to start pushing for the law after the upcoming election, and we will follow its progress. In Ann Arbor, I'm Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker.